You can't go in and take someone's buy recommendation or use this indicator or do this unless they know who they're talking to and they can say, here's what this money represents to you in the market. Here's what you're trying to accomplish. There's so many other things. Like, that's why trading analysis is different, that we have a money management firm and you have a team who cares about the money you're trading, because if the money you're trading is not aligned, thank you. I think that's, if it's not aligned, you're in trouble. It's not going to work for you, because we can come and say buy the stock, but if it doesn't work for what you're trying to accomplish in the market, it's going to be a losing proposition. So that's what makes us different, Julius, is we certainly go above and beyond, because we do really give about the account that our end users are trading and what they're trying to accomplish. It's more important, I think, than the particular indicator or trading setup that we teach them. I know it's more important. So that's really what we were going back and forth, unless if you see it in a different way.
No, I totally agree. And, I think that over the years when, people always ask me, and you probably too, like, should I buy this or that? And that's the worst question that you can ask, so I always push back and I say, like, all right, so what is your investment horizon? What is your goal? What do you want to achieve with that? Are you going to hold this for your kids' college education fund? Yep. Or is this going to be some sort of a short-term speculation and you want to pick up 5% within the next 3 months? Or are you looking to day trade? It's such an important part of the information. What is your investment horizon? What's your style? What's your risk perspective?
Yep.
How much are you willing to risk? If you trade Bitcoin is going haywire again, So I'm pretty sure if you buy Bitcoin right now, you've got to be prepared for a 10K decline on the way up.
Yep.
Can you handle that? Is this?
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, and then the other thing, as you're speaking, it occurred to me too. Should I buy Nvidia? Well, what's also relevant? Do you own KLA 10 Core, Broadcom, Applied Materials? Do you own 7 other semiconductors, and what's your exposure there? If you have no semi exposure, the answer is probably yes, if it's within your time frame. But if you're loaded up and you have a whole bunch of other crypto, that's why it's just so important to answer those questions. Yeah. And but that's what we're really, really trying to do, is to align these powerful tools that Julius has created for us to best serve our customers at TA and get you the information you need in an efficient manner. And, hopefully we can all make money on aligned time frames. And,
It reminds me of an article that I wrote a couple of years ago. And the title was basically explaining exactly this we just talked about. The title was something like market analysis, technical market analysis, and portfolio construction are 2 different animals in the same zoo. They are equally important. You can do the most fantastic market analysis and come up with trading ideas and whatever. But if your portfolio construction sucks, you're nowhere.
Yeah.
If your analysis is mediocre, a good portfolio construction and risk management can still save you.
Yep. I totally agree with that.
The 2 are very complementary, and they are so often overlooked. People do technical analysis, or whatever analysis, and then they just put some money on the line. But the question is, how much are you going to buy? Are you going to buy 5% of your portfolio, 1% of your portfolio? How much are you going to risk? How long are you going to hold it? Will you use a stop loss? Are you going to use profit target? So much more questions. The analysis bit is only the start of it.
It's just the start.
Once you figured out what you want to buy, then the fun starts.
And people don't understand, like, why don't you want to put profit targets out there? Like, you have no idea, like, what the stock is going to look like in the future. You have no idea how the company itself is going to evolve, even in 3 months. You have no idea what the other positions in your portfolio are going to do in that period. It's, as you just said, the fun begins there's a lot of work that needs to go before you put $1 into the market, but then you said there's a whole other process of managing positions as they exist within your holdings.
And how do you want to create exposure? Are you going to buy the stock? Yeah. Are you going to buy a thing? So you feel technology is great. Are you going to buy 1 stock? Are you going to buy 3 stocks? Are you going to buy the ETF that covers the entire sector?
Yep.
Are you going to buy cash stocks, cash equity, or are you going to buy options? whatever. There's so many more questions before you actually have a portfolio that works for you.
And I think most people have already answered that question here because they know alpha performance exists within technically and fundamentally strong companies that are setting themselves out apart from the sector. And that's what we're here to do in Sector, Industry, and Stock Report. So without further ado, sir, let's roll. Good discussion, though. I appreciate that. Hi, it's Todd from tradinganalysis.com. Thanks so much for watching. Listen, my team and I have so much to share with you in terms of our technical analysis, our fundamental analysis, portfolio management tactics, trading in and out, maybe options, sector rotation. Let us know what's most interesting to you. Maybe drop that in the comments section and we'll do our best to work it in. Also, consider clicking the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when we put out new videos. And finally, you can check us out at tradinganalysis.com if you'd like to see us manage our real portfolios in real time. Thanks again for watching.